security, not safety. Maybe a tiny roast chicken could fit in that. Just a tiny, not really the big one.
Now we need someone to put it.
Indeed, he's reading the manual before we will use it, because he claimed that he's the smart one.
Actually, you claimed I'm the smart one, and I claimed you're the one that watched hours and hours of Airfryer videos. Really, you should know.
So here it goes. The cord is not very long, so this is just the cord. It's at the back. This is where the heat will came from, and I have watched many videos that it's a little bit noisy and a little bit hot in this area, so it needs like a proper ventilation. The cord is not very long. We're trying it out. We put some spare ribs.
Step 2, set time and temperature. Choose zone 2 until after you've set the temperature for zone 1.
Okay, zone 1.
It says 15 to 18, so we'll just go 16.
Maybe 18 because
Okay,
it's big.
Okay. Alright.
2.
So zone 2 is chips. Chips is the oven chips. Have you already put them in?
Not yet.
Okay, is 180. Oh, sorry, air fry. 180, and the time 7 minutes. So you would take this out. It doesn't require any oil, so we just put in the chips. I'm just gonna give it a shake. So yeah, that's fine.
I should drizzle a little bit of oil or no?
It says no. Select sync.
So the other one is holding
We'll
here.
hold until it gets down to 18 minutes, and then it will turn on to
How many is the chips there?
27.
Ah, that's why. Really? So the chip will be longer than the...
The chip is cooking at a lower temperature.
Ah, I get it. So the spare ribs is on hold. You can see hold for this one. And then where we put the chips is going on while waiting for the...
Hang on, how do I stop it? I think I pressed the wrong button.
So 30 minutes, 31 minutes for the chips.
2 minutes for the chips.
And the temperature is already okay. Did you check the temperature with both?
That's 190, that's 180.
Alright.
Okay.
Thank you.
Bye.
Through with the manual guide and the recipe book. So they will teach you the cooking programs, how to sync, how to use the sync, and how to use the match button, how to fully operate it, and how to use just the single button, I mean the single zone, and then how to have the cooking chart as your guidelines. But sometimes you need to kind of do your own judgment because it depends on the thickness of the pork and the kilograms. And then how, yep, so there's beef, there's pork, there's lamb, there's frozen foods. Hold up, there's frozen foods. Chips. I'm not sure if you've checked the frozen foods. It's okay, we'll just extend. There's a dehydrate chart, we're really gonna dehydrate. There's a max crisps chart. And then there's a cake, there's a beans, fish cakes, beans. What is this? Another recipe chart. And here's the actual recipe. So there is like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. There's like 14 free recipes. Alright, so now you could see that they are already on sync. See? So they run at the same time already, and then they will finish at the same time. Ooh. Hold them down. Ooh. It's very crispy. Them, and I will put it back on the other side because it's not very crispy on the other side. What was the temperature ganit with the pork?
198.
Just gonna add like 5 minutes. 5 minutes, and then I'm gonna mush it with the other side. So the the left tray and the right tray are matched with the same temp and time, and then start. So I added a little bit 5 minutes to make the other side more crispy. And then here we go, and this is the other side. And then the other one as well. And then the other one as well.